Did you catch that significant spike in environmental sentiment? Right now, we're looking at a sentiment score of plus 0.37 and a momentum of plus 0.64, which is notably higher than the historical baseline for this time of year. This indicates a growing optimism around environmental initiatives, and with 20 semantic clusters surfacing around topics like renewable energy and sustainability, it's clear that something is shifting in public discourse. With our API, you can retrieve detailed sentiment analysis for any topic, enabling you to integrate real-time environmental insights into your applications. Imagine building a dashboard that tracks sentiment trends, providing users with timely updates on public perception of green initiatives. Ready to dig deeper? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this momentum together.